What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is that 3129 NW-31294-9 internet connection problem. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. You just at the screen go to the network settings and view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the DNS is not working, the server is down, Sony just working on the update system or something like that. That's why you get this error. And if the server is working up and good, then you have a local problem, a local internet problem. You just restart your router or reset your router and connect it again. If you need to change the DNS settings, you just go to the primary DNS, change it to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4 and then connect it. If you are using a LAN cable, then do it the same DNS settings. So that's how simply you do it. And if you're new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like it. And if you need to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.